Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? This is Mr. Fatma. Today I am going to teach you about the weather. This is the last topic, and that is the summary of our chapter, what we have learned in the whole session. So, we have learned about the weather and climate. That weather is the condition that change every day, and climate is the condition that changes over a long period of time, and that period is about 25 to 30 years. The climate affects the life of the people, as well as the weather also affects the life of the people. We have been discussed about the land breeze and sea breeze, that the land breeze are called night breeze and the sea breeze are called day breeze. In land breeze, the winds, as we know that the land has the property to warm up quickly and cool down quickly, and water has the property to warm and cool slowly. So in daytime, in day breeze or sea breeze, when the land is hot, so the hot air rises up from the land, and the cool air from the sea rushes up and take the place of warm air, and then they both of them make a cycle and make the breeze cool. That is called sea breeze. And in night breeze, the same thing happen, or you can say land breeze. The cool air rises up, the warm air rises up from the sea, and the cool air from the land. When the cool air rises up, so the warm air from the sea take the place of the land cool air, and again they make the cycle and make the land cool, make the air cool. So the land or the city or the place which is nearer to the coastal areas, that's why they are cold, and they have pleasant climate. That's why Karachi has the air of Karachi is fresher than any other cities of Pakistan, because it lies near the sea. That's why the climate of Karachi is very good. Then we have discussed about the elements of weather, that there are different elements of weather. Is what are the elements, like temperature, distance of speed of wind, air pressure, and in that in that elements we have learned that air pressure and temperature are the main factors that affects all the elements of weather. We also discussed about the elements or the factors of climate, that is altitude, latitude, and proximity and nearness to the sea. So we have been discussed about it, that the latitude, we have discussed latitude means the distance from the equator, altitude distance from sea level or height above the sea level, proximity distance from the sea or nearness to the sea. In this we have also discussed, like the previous, land breeze and sea breeze, that the areas which are nearer to the sea, they have a good climate. Then we have been discussed about the natural disasters, that the what are natural disasters, and among these we have ended some natural disasters like cyclone, floods, tornadoes, hurricane, or earthquake. We have been discussed about it, that what are these and how these affects the life of the people. We also discussed about the disease that are caused by the climatic change, like heat stroke, dengue, malaria, and coronavirus, that is very common nowadays. And I ask you to make the report on coronavirus. What is the reason of coronavirus? Where is the origin? What is the origin of coronavirus? How it spreads all over the world, and what are the effects of coronavirus on Pakistan? We have been discussed about it also. That's enough. I hope you will get all the points. If you have any problem or any difficulty, you may ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.